The only way we can actually give it a good chance is by informing the communities, like yourselves, the people who are demanding UHC, so that we put more pressure on the government. It will not work unless we have an informed citizenry that actually demands accountability. Right now, we know that even after we spend $1 billion shillings on containers and they're sitting in Mombasa, we have all gone ahead with our lives. We've gone ahead with our lives. We are here having breakfast at the Stanley. No one has actually gone to say, this billion is part of my money. Why was it used this way? And why are these containers not in use? And therefore, I'm taking the Ministry of Health to court. So unless we become engaged and active, we will not achieve it. The government may have the best intention, but the country itself, the population needs to be informed enough and engaged to hold the government accountable for us to say yes to that question. And the worry we have, and the worry the Ministry of Health has as well, the president has good intention, but what about if we achieved to cover everybody? The government can even mobilize money and say, everyone has a card, as you're saying, overnight. Then where do they go? Because as you say, if they show up at Pumwani and they're told, yes, you have a card, thank you, but we don't have medicine 1, 2, 3, 4, here's a prescription, go and buy it in there. So have we achieved UHC? No, we haven't. So the two must happen together. And those questions we must start to ask them. Say, thank you for UHC. And we are driving, because I can tell you that the president's interest and the biggest focus is financial coverage. It's NHIF. He's told the Minister of Health, that is your day job, to make sure that people have good access and safe access. So if we achieved all this, then is the supply side, the health centers, the hospitals, the health workers, whatever cadre they are they there to make sure that all these members of NHIF can have adequate coverage?